Hi everyone, and welcome back to Skin Talk with Kristen. So as you can see from today's setup, we're going to start with something very basic. And this is how to properly cleanse your skin. This is my nightly routine. So first things first is, as you can see, I do have on a full face of makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with our pre-cleanse. So this is our botanical cleansing oil that you can get here in the spa. This botanical cleansing oil is going to remove our oil-based dirt. Now, the reason why we want to use a oil-based makeup is because oil loves other oil. And so to do that, and to make sure we remove all of our makeup products, we're going to start off with using our botanical cleansing oil. This oil is going to emulsify into a nice milky white consistency, and it's going to rinse off clean, leaving no residue. So first things first, we're just removing our makeup. Now, once that is removed, we're going to take a little bit of our botanical cleansing oil. You can do 1 to 2 pumps depending on how much makeup you have. I normally use 2 pumps. We're going to just take this and we're going to rub this into the skin and massage it. Now, if you're paying attention, and if you can see, it's actually breaking down our makeup. And y'all, this oil can literally melt just oil in an oil spill. Okay? So as you can see, it's breaking down our makeup, and now you're getting ready to meet the real Kristen. We getting it in tonight. So we are literally just removing all our makeup. Now, when you do a pre-cleanse, this is just to get rid of the oil-based dirt and to prep your skin for the cleanser that's actually going to treat your skin condition. And make sure you work that in for a good 2 to 3 minutes, or until all of your makeup is just coming off your face. So now that we've got that worked into our skin really well, now, tricky thing, we're going to take some water. Now, when we take this water, once it mixes with the oil, it's going to make a little creamy, milky white emulsion. Okay? Now, when it turns creamy white, that's when you know that the oil is ready to be wiped off. If it doesn't turn milky white, that means you're still going to have oil on your skin. So now we're removing it. Okay, so now our skin is clean. Okay, so now any oil-based dirt has been removed. If you can see this water is just full of just makeup and all the yucky stuff. Okay, so now we have our second cleanse. Our second cleanse is going to be what actually treats our skin conditions. If you can look at my skin now, you can see I have a little friend. That's them saying hello to you. So now we're going to go in our cleanser. Every product that you see here is available in the spa for purchase. So this one has a mixture of 3 fruit acids. It's mild and gentle for all skin types. Now, when you're doing your cleanser when you're applying it to your skin, it should be slightly damp. Never put your cleanser onto dry skin. And we're just going to work that in and get a nice little consistency. Okay, so now that part is done. So now normally after you've cleansed your skin twice with your botanical cleansing oil, and then you've done your cleanser to treat the actual condition of your skin, now we're going to do an exfoliant. The exfoliant that I really love is one from my line. It is plant-based. It has B3. It uses an enzyme to eat away at the dead skin cells. And it also has niacinamide, which is a good skin brightener, as well as getting into those pores and really helping to clear up acne. So when you're using this enzyme, it's creamy. It doesn't have anything that's going to be abrasive. This enzyme will actually stay on the skin for about 20 minutes. So now that we've let that sit for about 20 minutes, now we're going to go ahead and remove. We're going to take this off. So I'm just going over again to make sure I didn't leave any residue behind from our B3 enzyme cream. Now we're going to go in with our toner. Now your toner is going to be what adds hydration back to your skin. It's also going to be what actually helps to bring your skin's pH up if you've done something to put your pH down. So we're just going to mist, and I just like to mist it on my face. This is what I like to do. Check it out. Oh, y'all, I love a good toner. I could mist my face all day if I could. Now, with this particular toner, you can use it on top of your foundation. It won't ruin your foundation. My toners do not have any alcohol that's going to dry the skin out or strip the skin. So this one, you can wear this all day, keep it in your purse if you want to, and spray it all day. So now that we have that toner on, I never pat it in. I just let it dry naturally and absorb into the skin, and just give it a moment. I'm just going to fan my skin just a little bit. Oh, that feels good, y'all. So now we're going to go in with my vitamin C, a little pump of that, and we're also going to go in with my antioxidant defense complex. This is really going to help my skin for the vitamin C. It's going to be great for the pigmentation issues that I have, as you all can see. I also have a few acne breakouts. The antioxidant complex is going to help my skin because it's going to help from just protecting it from the hydrocarbons in the environment and any pollutants. And we're also going to treat our neck. Remember, when you're doing your neck, to go into a upward position, because we're going to work against gravity. Lift, not pull. Okay, so now that that's done, now we're going to go in with our moisturizer. This is my skin finishing moisturizer. It's very light. It's not oily. It has a leachic acid in it, which is from strawberries. And we're going to apply this on our skin. And again, it's not oily, so it's a nice moisturizer. And this is actually good for all skin types as well. So now that I've worked my moisturizer in, now I'm going to put on a little bit of sunscreen. Now, if you're getting ready to go to bed, you don't need sunscreen. Just use your moisturizer and get into the bed and sleep like a baby. But if you're going out at nighttime, you still need to wear sunscreen. Why? Why, Kristen? Why do I need to wear sunscreen? You need to wear sunscreen at nighttime because of the fact that the sun's rays are still out. They're just behind the moon. So you're still able to have sun damage happen to you at nighttime. So we wear sunscreen at night when we're going out. So this is my skincare regimen. I hope that you all can start your own. If you don't have an esthetician to help you with one, come and find me. Thanks everyone for tuning into another week of Skin Talk with Kristen. I'm so glad that you all decided to tune in with me as I demo how I cleanse my skin on a daily basis. It was condensed, but I hope that you all take this and start your own skincare regimens with the help of your esthetician. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like these videos, comment below in the comment section and let me know, and I'll do more of them. Thanks, and I'll see you all again next week.